Hey, greetings, Rod here. Today, before the big game, we're gonna sit down and make some jalapeno poppers right here in the kitchen. So let's get to it. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take some jalapenos and half them and devein them. You can leave some of the seeds in there for that extra heat. Now these were frozen because we got them on sale a few months back. Next we got some bacon that I pre-cooked to a limpy state, which that's gonna be cut into thirds and laid across the top with some toothpicks to hold it in place while it chills in the refrigerator with the cream cheese beneath it with pears to give it a little bit of a sweet to go with the heat. I got 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese in the mixing bowl, and I've got 1 pear minced in this cup. So I'm going to take and combine the two together really quick. The pear really does give it a nice little sweet with the heat, like I said in the intro. Okay, that's good. So now we're going to take and cut the bacon. First thing you got to do is take your jalapeno, put it on your cutting board, and lay your bacon right across the top so you got a measurement. And then cut it just a little bit beyond the length of the jalapeno, and repeat. Now these little ends can also be used to piece together here when we start running the toothpicks through. I finished cutting the bacon off camera so as not to bore you guys at that. Now what I'm going to do is take the cream cheese and pear mixture, get a little bit of it on your spoon, and just put it inside the jalapenos like so. I'm going to finish these up off camera and I'll get back to the bacon. Alright, now that I got these jalapeno boats filled up, we're going to take and put the bacon right across them and start putting half toothpicks in there just to hold the bacon in place. And when we get this done, I'm going to show you on the baking sheet what they all look like and how I finish preparing them before I put them in the fridge. So I'm going to get this done really quick and get to that. Alright, now that we got them all stuffed up with our cream cheese and pear mixture with the bacon on there, halved our toothpicks, stuck them in to hold that bacon down. Now what we're going to do is take and put some cling wrap over top of them and then put them in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours for them to stiffen back up before we cook them. If you're not going to cook them right away, you need to put them in a sealed container and put them in your refrigerator for overnight or a couple days later on. That way they stay fresh, because dairy products do tend to spoil. And now we're going to put the cling wrap on it. Thing about cling wrap is it always sticks to itself and nothing else. As you can tell, this stuff is terrible. You know what, I'm going to get another sheet. There we go. Now in the refrigerator they go. Alright, now if you are using frozen jalapenos, it goes without saying, do not refreeze them. And by all means, wash your hands every time with soap and water, because if you touch your face, you're going to burn your eyes out. All right, we're just waiting for the grill to get up to 200 degrees, and they're going to go right in there. Oh, and I do have my new shirt on for Thaco's Cave, which was printed up by T-Shirt Explosion here in Springdale, Arkansas. I will post their website link in the description area down below. All right, they've been in the grill for 20 minutes. Let's check them out. Oh, there you go. Those look perfect. Oh, can't wait till they cool off and I bite into one. And I'll show you that here in just a few minutes when they're done cooling down. Duke, you can't have these, buddy. All right, let's try one of these puppies out. Fantastic. That pear puts a great little sweet with that little bit of heat. Very, very good. I'm gonna put the recipe and cooking instructions down below in that description area. So, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.